Poor guy with a Blackstone. We are making cheeseburger quesadillas. It wasn't our original plan. Our original plan was to do cheeseburger egg rolls. Yeah, but product supply issues at Walmart here in town. They didn't have any egg roll wrappers. Pretty disappointed in that. So we're gonna do quesadillas. Cheeseburger quesadillas with bacon and 2 different kinds of cheeses. Well, I got some American and I got a bowl of shredded cheddar. Aight?
And bacon.
And bacon bits. Now that bacon we made this morning, I got a big package of Great Value hickory bacon. It actually looked really good. It cooked up nicely. We had a breakfast with it. Used about half of it for the breakfast. And we're going to use the rest for this dish. Already started the hamburger. It's 80-20, 36 ounces, 2.25 pounds. So I went ahead and started it on. I got all 4 burners on medium low. So we'll get that cooking up. Oh yeah, check it out everybody. I actually splurged. I was on vacation this past week. I didn't really do anything. I had some energy early in the week. I don't have any anymore. I'm kind of depressed because I got to go back to work, but I cleaned up the griddle pretty good. And that grease trap there was absolutely disgusting. So I spent quite a bit of time cleaning that out, sanitizing it, and went ahead and bought those. You've seen them in the stores. I think it was like, I don't know, maybe 10 of them for about $5. So yeah. So we're gonna do the whiskey burger by Blackstone. This stuff's really good if you haven't tried it. It's the blend of spices. It goes real good with hamburger. And that's what we're looking at. So we're gonna do simple cheeseburger quesadillas, the way we do quesadillas. And we're gonna, I've never done ground beef like this on the Blackstone.
I was thinking that.
I've done, obviously hamburgers, but it's going to give off quite a bit of fat. I try to position the Blackstone when I'm cooking bacon or a juicy meat like that, because my patio slants towards you, so everything is going to go whoop, right in there. Ruppy! Has anybody seen Ruppy lately? Look at Ruppy. Okay.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Let me tell you what's going on here. Poor little Ruppy, we took him to the hair groomer, and she noticed he had at least an ear infection in one ear, so we took him to the vet the next day, and turned out that he had like a little double ear infection. He's okay, but man, they put that blue medicine in there, and it's like, holy moly, look at him. Look at that poor dog. Well, he'll be okay though. He's got a little follow-up appointment, him and his brother Frodo. We're gonna go back next week, make sure they're all cleared up. But yeah, we didn't dye his hair. If you see him, he's looking for food. All right, we're gonna let this cook up. Yeah, so I'm going to do American cheese. These are the brand of tortillas that we use. I'm going to lay a flat one down. I'm going to put 2 pieces of American on. Then put the beef and the bacon and then more shredded cheese on top. And then, since it's like a bacon cheeseburger, I'm going to go quite heavy with this stuff because this is the only seasoning that I'm using. I thought about putting some onion in here, but I didn't. we're actually just going to go ahead and start preparing. Because that meat is cooked, as far as I'm concerned. Got all the doggies out here today. I don't think I'm going to put any oil down.
I think it has enough.
We got quite a bit of fat from the hamburger, and I actually cooking the bacon and the breakfast this morning. I cleaned it off, but I kept a lot of the bacon juiciness on there. So these are on low. It may be a little bit too high, but we're gonna go for it. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and a 4. And we'll lay down 2 pieces of American. Oh boy. Okay. I took them out of their little wrappers to be a little bit more efficient.
Can I not have bacon in mine?
You don't want bacon?
No.
Did you hear that, everybody?
I like bacon.
Okay, okay. No problem. Hopefully I can remember which one doesn't have bacon.
I'll try to remember.
Okay, American cheese. Then let's get our stuff here.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to make these fairly hearty.
Popping every which way.
That's right. More than likely, Tori and Don will only have one of these. And then Aiden and I will probably both have 2. Oh, I don't know about Aiden. I know I will, because I like to eat a lot. Okay. So what do you say? We do that. Yeah, that'll be enough for another couple. We're going to do a ton of cheese.
You love cheese.
It's a cheeseburger, right?
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully this Blackstone isn't too hot where it's burning the bottom of these. I'm a little worried. Oh, I forgot the freaking bacon to put in there. That's all right. We can still put it on there. We can still put it on there. All right, let's get some bacon. We, like I said, we crunched this all up, cooked it real nice and crispy. Did it all this morning. Crunched it up.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to.
I almost did, Tori. And so it was prepared ahead of time because everybody knows how to cook bacon. So let's check it out. Oh.
Ooh. Oh my goodness, that's a fat quesadilla.
Yeah, these are going to be nice and hearty, man. I'm telling you. Oh, yeah. You know, we have a love for quesadillas around here. We're having our chicken quesadillas for dinner tomorrow. Because I was like, sweetheart, we don't have any wonton wrappers. What are we going to do? And I was like, how about quesadillas? Let's do a cheeseburger quesadillas. And she's like, yeah, that's a good idea. But I was like, oh, no. We're going to do quesadillas tomorrow. We're like, we don't care.
We like quesadillas.
Yeah. Okay.
So, okay, that one's mine.
Yeah, remember which one's yours. How do we remember?
How about...
Let me spit on it?
No,
Oh, that cheese is melting nice. That cheese is melting real nice.
Indent in the middle with your spatula.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, the cheese is going to leak out. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Put these back in the wrapper because we're going to go in the house and we'll slice these up and we'll show you what they look like. Now use any kind of condiment you want. You know, I've seen videos where they make their own kind of special sauce and everything. We're going to do mustard or ketchup or whatever. That's, yeah. Yeah, these are heavy.
They look like they're really heavy.
These are heavy. I'm going to say they're good. They're brown enough for us, for our goodness. Okay. Oops.
You may want to flip more around so you know the indent.
Yeah. Tori's very concerned about this.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Tori's will put, that's the oddball. I'm going to move all this stuff, all this juicy, crusty yumminess for the next quesadillas. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, we sliced one open. That's what you're looking at. That actually looks really good. Quite a bit of cheese. Oh, yeah.
Sorry for the lighting.
Bacon, yeah, our lighting. Anyway, that's a bacon cheeseburger quesadilla. Anyone can do those. They're easy. They're fast, obviously. Not a lot of money. So, yeah. So, like, comment, subscribe. And I almost got 200 subscribers. I got 194. So 6 more and I got 200. And I get 500 and I can get a community page and I'll sell this hat to somebody. $55.
Oh.
Peace out.